In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download Google Drive restricted PDF. If you've ever opened a PDF in Google Drive and noticed the download, print, or copy options are missing, that's because the file's owner has restricted those actions. I won't be showing any tricks to bypass restrictions or use code to scrape files. Instead, I'll walk you through safe, legitimate ways to get the access you need while respecting the owner's settings and copyright. First, make sure you are signed in to the correct Google account. Open the PDF in Google Drive and confirm you can view it. If you see a banner or simply don't see a download icon, that means the owner has disabled downloading. That's normal and it's controlled by the file's sharing settings. Next, request access directly from the owner. Click the Request Access button or the Share button. Add a short, polite note explaining why you need the ability to download or print and send the request. You'll get an email when the owner updates your permissions. If this is a work or school file, you may also need approval from an administrator, depending on your organization's policies, if you own the PDF or you've been granted permission to manage its sharing settings. Open the file, click Share, then the Settings gear icon. Turn on the option that lets viewers and commenters download, print, and copy. Save your changes. You can also change someone's role to editor if appropriate. Or, if you already have edit access yourself, create a copy of the file in your drive and download that copy. Once permission is enabled, return to the PDF viewer. You should now see the download icon at the top right. Click it to save the file to your computer. Or press Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on a Mac. On mobile, tap the three dots and choose Download. Pick a folder you'll remember, and wait for the download to finish before closing the tab. If the download option still doesn't appear after access is granted, refresh the page or sign out and back in. Clearing your browser cache or trying a different browser can also help. Finally, confirm with the owner that they've enabled downloading and that no organizational policies are blocking it. Always use content responsibly. Follow Google's terms and respect the rights of creators and organizations. If this helped, let me know, and thanks for watching.